The best Photostamp camera apps for Android are specialized applications designed to enhance photography by allowing users to easily add stamps, text, and various graphical elements to their images. These apps typically feature a user-friendly interface, enabling quick access to a wide range of editing tools and customization options. Users can choose from different stamp designs, including stickers, watermarks, and personalized text, to enhance their photos creatively. Many of these apps also offer features like filters, frames, and cropping tools, allowing for comprehensive photo editing. The ability to adjust transparency, size, and placement of stamps makes it easy to achieve desired effects. Moreover, these apps often support high-resolution output, ensuring that images retain their quality even after edits. Ideal for social media enthusiasts, content creators, and casual users alike, Photostamp camera apps enable individuals to personalize their photographs, convey messages, and maintain brand consistency across their visual content. Overall, they serve as valuable tools for enhancing and personalizing photos in an engaging manner.